Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your driver's license in British Columbia. So first, head over to icbc.com slash driver dash licensing. And from this page, you may want to start and click on get an L or N or the learner's or novice license. So just click on this. And to get started, you have to scroll down and look for Get Your L. So getting your L or learner's license is the first step. Then after this, you're going to proceed with Get Your N, which is the second step. So first click on Get Your L. So from here, you can get your learner's license on or after your 16th birthday. To get your L, you'll need to pass the knowledge test. So to take your knowledge test, you have to book an appointment. Click on this link. So depending on your location, your nearest driver licensing office may be an ICBC driver licensing office, a service BC center, a driver licensing agent, typically an auto plan broker. Appointments are booked differently depending on the location you choose to visit. So from there, you're going to need to take your knowledge test and vision screening. And once you've passed, you should get your L license. Now next is getting your N or novice license. So to get your N or novice license, you're going to need to pass the Class 7 road test. So as you can see here, a visual illustration that is being shown says that 1 year with supervisor plus Class 7 road test. When you pass both tests, you'll get your N license. Next is scroll down, and if you're ready to take your road test, just click on this link, book an appointment for your road test. So when you take your road test, you're going to need to also pay for the testing fee. By following the link, you can see how much you're going to need to pay. Now head back, then click on the book or update your road test online. Now from here, start by clicking on the next button. Sign in from this page. Just make sure that you log in using your credentials on ICBC. And once logged in, just follow the on-screen prompts and instructions in booking your appointment. Once you're done taking your L and N license, you can now proceed and get your full license. So just click on this. So the last step is to pass your Class 5 road test. An illustration here shows that with 2 years safe driving and passing the Class 5 road test will get you your full license. From this page, you can also see here your Class 5 road test eligibility. And if you think you're eligible, you can start preparing for your Class 5 road test. And once you're ready, click on Book Your Road Test. Then once again, follow this link. Of course, another testing fee. Scroll down, then once again, click on Book or Update Your Road Test online. And from here, you're now going to book to get your full license. Once you're done, you've passed all the tests and submit all the requirements and you're eligible, you should then get your full license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!